All right. I think it's time to close the conference. Thank you very much for being here. Let me give some statistics to you. We had this year again about 2,000 visitors, about 70 volunteers, which did on their voluntarily basis 530 hours for us of work. This is not including tear down. 38 speakers, about 30 people in our team. A few of them are here in the lecture room over there. Maybe somewhere else. Can you just wave a little, please? Okay. All the others are starting with the tear down, so I apologize for them that are not here now. So the Video Operations Center, they were 12 people today, and yesterday in the evening, I hope you all were there. Was there somebody not at the social event? Well, okay, you missed something. 500 people were there in a very, very nice summer evening. Delicious food, well, a little bit long queues, but anyway, I think this was a great social event. Okay. We had 300 boxes of drinks in total drunken up, and water and Apfelschorle were nearly sold out. We had about, and this is missing on the slide for some reason, 100 liters of alcohol-free beer yesterday and 330 liters of proper beer yesterday. Proper beer. I think this is the peak of alcohol-free beer this year. But it was so warm yesterday, it's totally understandable. Yeah, coffee. I got very, very detailed numbers here. So 150 filter coffees, 1,250 espresso shots, 25 decaf. What's going wrong with you? 50 matcha, 60 hot chocolate, 30 chai, 20 liters of cold brew, 70 liters of milk, and 30 liters of oat milk, and 25 teas. And Norbert from June and July said to me just that the milk is sold out too. Yeah, so there's no milk left. Very impressive, very much coffee. I hope you all can sleep good this evening. Okay, yeah, I already said something about the social event. It ended at 3 a.m. I think this is not the record, but there were still many people at the end, like 20. But about 500 in the beginning, so just a nice shot here of the evening. If you have some feedback, of course you can always speak to some of the people of the team, but probably during the tear down it will be not remembered properly. So if you want to tell us something, you can either write us an email or use our feedback form at feedback.froscon.org. We are very happy to get some feedback to improve our conference for next year or the next years. Please, if you haven't done this yet, I think there's here these, no, I can't bring it, these wonderful boxes with the nice colorful LEDs where you can rate the talks, our vote boxes. We got about 650 votes there already for all of the talks, with an average rating of 4.67 of 5 possible stars, which would translate to the FrOSCon system. I have a very much echo. Can you change this? Thanks. A little better. Okay, if it's still possible to rate the talks on froscon.org or the program, I think the speakers will be happy to get some feedback too. So if you can spare some time, please give them some stars or some comments. I would like to thank a few people and organizations which made FrOSCon possible. First of all our donators. We got over 22,000 euros on Better Place already. And this made this conference possible. I already said it in the init. We had a really financial issue this year, but after we started the donation campaign, we got a really high resonance of new partners and very, very many people who donated to us. So thanks to every donator. With all these partners, and I think these are the volunteers. So I already said we have the people in the green shirts who are now currently helping with our teardown. A few of them are here, maybe you wave, who are the volunteers. Okay, sleeping already. Thank you very much. Without you, we could not do this. And of course, I have to thank the C3 VOC, our Video Operation Center. They did a really, really wonderful job of recording and streaming and providing all the technology here. So a big applause to them. You're not too late for the final closing words. And of course, I have to thank Event Phone. They provided us with these wonderful decked phones we could use during all the conference to organize all the stuff which were, needed. Many calls were done. Thank you for being here every year. Yeah, June and July, our coffee caterer, he was here for the first time, and I think, well, not the first time. Last year he was supporting Ruth, and this year he was on his own business here, and I think this coffee was wonderful, so thank you very much for providing this nice coffee. And I also have to thank the G10 code company because they helped us to reduce the prices for the coffee. They were our coffee partner. So thanks to the GNU-PG G10 code company. I, of course, have to thank all our partners, and you see these are very, very many partners this year, with B1 being our conference partner this year. And they made it possible that we could do this conference, and of course they help us to have more FrOSCons than, well, we had already. So a 22nd conference there will be. I would like to thank the organization team. So again, a big applause to them. And last but not least, I have to thank the Hochschule Bonn-Rhein-Sieg for providing us with the facilities, with the rooms, with all the help from some staff, from, security, cleaning, a technician for the event stuff, and so on. Thank you very much for hosting us every year. Big applause. Yeah, and with this I say, see you next year. I unfortunately cannot announce the date for next year yet. There are some difficulties with the Hochschule still, but I think we will solve it in the next few weeks, and then we'll get a big announcement on social media, probably a newsletter. So thank you very, very much for coming, and see you next year.